Hello. So that's time to lecture 20, and we are going to finish two architectural style of the module view type, and one of them is particularly common to you. It's how to describe the structure of the system data. So the information actually is what you learn when you start learning databases. And this is a quite important architectural style, and there are a lot of views of this style, and you learn a lot about entity relationship, for instance. Why? Because for some type of systems which are data intensive, and usually you call them also information system, the most useful view is the view of the structure of the data. Okay. And so this style you already know, and we'll discuss some of these aspects. And then there's another style that there are some aspects of a system that cannot be located in a single module. So how can I describe this? From one of the examples is access control, where you need to write code about access control in a lot of different places. So how can you basically have a good architectural solution that follows modularization and high cohesion of the access control code? And that's what we're going to discuss about how to describe cross-cutting concerns. And finally, we'll start with the component and connector view type, where we'll discuss how to describe the behavior of a system and address the qualities like performance, availability, security, and so on. And so we'll start to understand what is a component, what is a module, how to describe components. What is a component, what is a connector, how to describe components and connectors, what is the relation between components and connectors. And actually, as a class, we'll talk actually a little bit about middleware and some interesting aspects about whether I need to module or to describe in architecture the middleware, or how do I describe the middleware of my software architecture. So read the chapters and enjoy, and we'll see you in class.